Hey fragrance lovers, ever wondered why some perfumes cost a fortune while others are just a few bucks? It's not just about the fancy bottle or the brand name. The real secret lies inside, in the ingredients. Some are so rare, so precious, that they're worth more than their weight in gold. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury perfumery to uncover the most expensive ingredients on the planet. Get ready to explore the stories behind Oud, Musk, and Ambergris. Let's go! First up, let's talk about Oud, often called Agarwood. Imagine venturing into the dense, misty forests of Southeast Asia. That's where you'll find the Aquilaria tree. Now, this tree doesn't just naturally produce Oud. It's a fascinating, almost magical process. Only when the tree gets infected by a specific type of mold does it react by producing a dark, fragrant, and incredibly dense resin to protect itself. This resin is Oud. The process can take decades, even centuries, to develop fully. This natural defense mechanism is what makes the wood so aromatic and valuable. The darker the wood, the higher the concentration of resin, and the more expensive it becomes. Because this natural infection is so uncommon and the aging process is so long, true, high-quality Oud is exceptionally rare. It's truly a case of nature creating a masterpiece over time, which is why it's rightfully earned its nickname, liquid gold. Its scent profile is complex, powerful, and deeply woody, with sweet, balsamic, and even smoky undertones. It's a fragrance note that commands attention and speaks of pure opulence. Next, we have musk, an ingredient shrouded in legend and history. For centuries, musk was one of the most coveted and valuable animal products in the world. Traditionally, it was sourced from a gland on the male musk deer, native to the high mountain forests of the Himalayas. This natural musk has an incredibly potent, warm, and animalic scent that also acts as a fantastic fixative, meaning it helps a perfume last much longer on the skin. The pursuit of this scent led to musk deer being hunted to the brink of extinction. Because of this, the trade of natural deer musk is now heavily regulated and banned in many parts of the world. A single gram of the real thing from historical stock can be worth more than gold. Thankfully, the world of perfumery has evolved. Today, chemists have brilliantly recreated the scent of musk using synthetic molecules. These white musks are clean, soft, and sensual, and they allow us to enjoy that beautiful, long-lasting quality without harming any animals. So when you see musk listed in your favorite perfume today, it's almost always these ethical, man-made versions that capture the essence of this earthy treasure. Now, let's journey from the mountains to the vast, mysterious ocean for our next ingredient, ambergris. This is perhaps the strangest and most romantic of all perfume ingredients. Ambergris is a waxy, solid substance produced in the digestive system of sperm whales. It's thought to be created to help the whale pass sharp objects it might swallow, like squid beaks. The whale then expels this substance, which can float in the ocean for years, even decades. During its long journey adrift, it undergoes a transformation. The sun, salt, and sea slowly cure it, changing it from a dark, unpleasant-smelling mass into a pale, waxy rock with a uniquely beautiful scent. The aroma is hard to describe. It's sweet, salty, earthy, and musky all at once. It has a magical ability to enhance and prolong the life of other scents in a perfume. Finding a piece of naturally aged ambergris washed up on a beach is like finding a lottery ticket. Its value is astronomical, with a single kilogram potentially fetching tens of thousands of dollars. It's a true treasure from the sea, a gift from nature that connects the deep ocean to the world of fine fragrance. Of course, the world of luxury perfume isn't limited to just these three. There are other incredibly precious ingredients that perfumers covet. Think of the delicate and labor-intensive process of harvesting Bulgarian rose oil, where thousands of petals are needed for just a few drops of essence. Or saffron, the most expensive spice in the world, which lends a warm, leathery, and slightly sweet note to fragrances. And let's not forget the rich, creamy aroma of true Madagascar vanilla, which is far more complex than the synthetic version we're used to. Each of these requires specific climates, immense manual labor, and careful handling, making them luxurious in their own right. But when it comes to the sheer combination of rarity, price, and legendary status, Oud, musk, and ambergris are truly in a league of their own. They are the holy trinity of luxury perfumery. So, the next time you spray on your favorite fragrance, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that might be bottled inside. It's more than just a pleasant smell. It's a blend of history, a touch of nature's magic, and a whole lot of human craftsmanship. From an infected tree in a faraway forest to a substance that has floated across the ocean for years, these ingredients tell a story. They are a reminder that true luxury is rare, it takes time, and it connects us to the wonders of the natural world. Every drop is an experience, a piece of art created by both nature and human ingenuity. The rarer the ingredient, the higher the price, and the more special that scent becomes. If you love this peek into the world of luxury fragrances, show us some love by hitting that like button. And be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the fascinating world of scents. Now I have to ask, which of these rare perfume ingredients would you love to smell the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.